What I get most excited about grocery stores is the opportunity to let folks that know about Daily Harvest try us at a much easier entry point. You think about the ability to walk down your aisle or your Costco and find a strawberry peach Daily Harvest smoothie, whether you're buying one or in the case of Costco four. I am very confident when you try that smoothie, you're going to be intrigued by what else Daily Harvest has to offer. And so part of meeting customers where they are is now showing up in grocery stores near them. And we felt it was time and we were ready in large part because we had really built an incredible brand within the direct-to-consumer world that gives you that more one-to-one relationship. So we've just recently launched expansion into 4 markets with DoorDash. 4 of our best harvest bowls will be live in Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, and Seattle, which we're really excited as an expansion to our overall e-tailer program. We make it easy to have those food items delivered to you or available in your grocery store. And then we make it really easy to make one good decision a day or multiple good decisions a day that lead to a really great outcome health-wise.